Now look at this. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice.
Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space.
Alright guys, so right here I have 380 grams of striploin steak, right? And it's about an inch thick. Alright, so guys, look at these marblings. Look how beautiful these marblings is, right? So I have my pink salt right here. I have my fresh peppercorns, right? 4 cloves of garlic, some fresh thyme, and some fresh rosemary. Also some olive oil, right? So I'm just gonna rest these aside for a bit, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and pot dry my steak. And guys, I've been potting my steak off camera, so it's already dry, right? I'm just showing you. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle a little bit of this olive oil, right? And I'm just gonna massage my olive oil into my steak. And what the olive oil does, guys, is to let the season actually stick to the steak, right?
Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you, so last thing I know.
Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add my salt. Also gonna add my fresh pepper, right? And I'm just gonna flip my steak and do the other side as well. Alright. Also my pepper again. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna rub my steak, right? Make sure I get every bit of the season, right? I'm just gonna let my steak sit and rest for 20 minutes just to get to room temperature before I start it. First, I'm gonna start by adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil, right? Just enough to grease the bottom of my skillet, right? So I'm just gonna toss it around a bit just to spread the olive oil in the bottom of the skillet. And I'm just gonna leave it to hot, right? Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add my steak, right? And I'm just gonna fry on each side for 3 to 4 minutes before I start adding the rest of the ingredients. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and flip my steak, right? And guys, look at that beautiful golden crust, wow. Alright, so after both sides are finished, make sure you get the edges too, right? We need that nice golden crust on the edges as well. Now I'm gonna go ahead and lower my stove heat, right? Also gonna add half stick of unsalted butter. Also gonna add 4 cloves of garlic, right? My rosemary and my thyme. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start spooning my butter, right, all over my steak. And you're gonna continue doing this, right, until the steak reach a temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit, right? And that is for a well done steak. Alright guys, So now I'm gonna go ahead and check if my steak is ready, right? And I'm using a meat thermometer just to check the inside temperature if it reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit, right? Alright guys, it's not ready as yet, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and spoon it some more, right? And I'm gonna check the temperature again. Alright guys, so it's ready now, right? So I'm just gonna take it out and leave it on my cutting board to sit for 10 minutes before I start cutting it. Alright guys, so here I have the finishing product of my garlic, butter and herb strip-loin steak. Alright, first let me move this part of the steak before I start slicing it. Alright guys, now look at it. Oh look delicious, right? Tastes delicious too. I wish I'll be tasting this right now. Wow. Nice. Guys, look how tender and juicy this is. Guys, this is a good steak, trust me. Strip-loin steak is a very tender and nice steak, right? Very juicy. Look. Wow, this is a well done steak right here, guys. Right? This is a well done steak, but it's very soft.